Okay, I'm going to show you really quick how to prepare a part for 3D printing. So let's say I want to print out my base, my frame. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open that part up. Okay, and then I'm going to go to I, Export, CAD Format. Okay, and then I'm going to save as type, change that to STL. Then I'm going to click Options and make sure Inches is selected. Then I'm going to say Save. I've already done this, so I'm going to replace that one. Okay, now we want to open up a program called Makerbot Desktop. Click on Prepare if it's not already done. Then you're going to click on Add File, and you're going to find that file. Double click on it. Now, more than likely, it's going to be really small. The reason is because Makerbot Desktop thinks that every inch is 1 millimeter. So what you do is you click on your part, then you're going to go to the Scale button. You have to click it twice, then click Inches to Millimeters. Such a common problem that they came up with their own button. Just verify that these dimensions are correct. So is my frame 139.7 millimeters long? This must be the Z direction because that's the longest one. So make sure that's right. Now we want to think about how this is going to be printed. If we printed the part like this, it would go really poorly because what would happen is it would build the part up, and then once it got to, well, see these overhanging parts here? The printer is going to try to print those in midair. The extruder is just going to extrude plastic in midair, and it's just going to turn into a bunch of spaghetti, and it actually could damage the printer. So what we want to do is click on this rotation button and make sure we get it flat. By the way, you can hold down the right mouse button and move your mouse, and that'll rotate. So I want to print. I'm going to click on Lay Flat. I want to print my part like that because I think that'll be the most successful print. Okay. Oh boy, that's cool. Now I'm going to type Control L to auto lay out my print, and then I'm pretty much ready to go. Oh wait, I got to make sure that I have the right printer selected. So right now I have Replicator 2X. Maybe I want to use the 5th generation replicator. So I would go to Devices, select Type of Device, and then Replicator 5th generation. Okay. Do a Control L one more time just to make sure that it's in the right orientation. Now I'm going to check the settings. I pretty much always use the raft. Just kind of, I found it helps it stick to the print bed, because one problem that you have sometimes is that the part actually will unstick itself from the print bed. That's not good. This part I don't think needs any supports. You only need supports when you have something that's overhanging that's not supported. This is a pretty simple part. I don't think we're going to need that. And then we're just going to go to Export Print File. Okay, so you're going to say Export Now. Okay, save that part somewhere. Then you can email it to me. And then I would change the device to Replicator 2. Make sure it's fitting on the print bed. That looks fine. Export that file and email that one to me as well. That way I can get it started on whatever printer is available soonest. So that's it, I think.